I'm here from the Beau Institute. My name is Joan. We're going to show you how to set up your new Bishop PMU pen. Okay, so I'm going to open the box to show you what you're going to get. Okay, and we do suggest that you keep all of your boxes, all of your paperwork, and all of your invoices. Okay, you will have a 1-year warranty on this hand tool. So in this one box, you have your grease or lube, okay? You have your wire that can get attached to your critical atom, okay? And we're gonna show you how to do that. There is also a different sized grip. And then in this box is your Bishop PMU pen. And this is the wireless power supply. Okay, this is the box it will come in. We have one that is already open. So this is your battery, okay, and there is a cord that attaches to your outlet for charging. So there's an input section here, and that would be to charge it, okay. There's a button on the side for power, and then you have the screen here. You're going to hold it to turn it on, and then you can, it says it's charging now, okay? When you take the cord out and you attach it to your hand tool, okay? So I'm going to attach it right through here. You're going to press for a minute. You'll see the screen pop up with your speed. You can raise your speed here. You can lower here. And then when you want to run the battery, just give it one quick hit on the side power button, and then it's running now, okay? All right, I'm gonna turn it off. Don't turn it off, just hold it for a second, and it will stop, okay? The other thing I want to show you is how this cord, instead of using the battery, if you want to use the cord with your critical atom, the critical atom is now plugged into the power source, so that wire attaches in the center. Your main cord to your outlet is plugged in, and then the cord to the Bishop will go into the side outlet, and then this will go into the back of your machine, like so, okay? Now on that critical atom in the center is how you're going to turn the power source on and off. So tap it, and now it's running. Here's your speed. You want to go up. And then down. Okay? Hit the center button, and that will turn it back off again. So you can use this tool with your critical atom, or you can take this cord out and attach your battery. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to attach the sleeve, okay, and wrap it. So I'm just going to split my tubing here just a little bit with the scissors, just so that I can get the machine in the tubing a little easier, okay, so that fits over the battery. So I'm going to slide this up. I'm going to let it drop down a little bit so I have enough sleeve on the top. I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to take a piece of barrier cut in half lengthwise, and I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to fold over the tip so that I can unwrap it easily. And now that's secure, okay? And now I can fold this over and wrap with my second piece of barrier. Okay, I can fold here. Okay. And I can place a hole in the top here for my cartridge. Okay. And then I'm going to place my cartridge into my hand tool. Okay, turn it on. To lube your Bishop PMU pen, okay, I'm going to first, you have a package of grease in your box. You're going to save that. The way that you're going to cut is the tip will get cut in a V, and this will allow you to have a small amount of grease coming to the tip at a time, okay? I'm going to show you how to undo this, and then we'll apply some of the grease with our cotton stick, okay? So you're going to take your hand tool, you're going to turn it counterclockwise. You're going to take the whole grip off. You're going to look inside. This is the drive in there. There is a little grease in there because this is a brand new one, okay? But we're going to take a little bit of grease about the size of a teardrop. So not a lot. We're going to apply it just to the end of our wood stick. Teardrop full of grease or lube onto your wood stick. You're going to turn your machine on. So while it's running, you're going to place the lube right into the drive, okay? And while this will circulate the lube or the oil for you, okay? And then you're going to shut that off. And then you're going to reapply your grip by turning it clockwise. Okay, now you're going to be lubing or greasing your machine every 150 hours or about every 6 weeks if you use it consistently, if this is your main machine that you're using. You don't want to over lube your machine, but you do want to make sure that you're lubing it about every 6 weeks. And this tube of grease should last you anywhere between 6 months and 12 months. If you would like to place any orders for your new Bishop PMU pen or any other supplies, we're going to link our website below.